Hello my dear friends of electronics. In this video I want to talk about coupled inductors, how they can be used for isolated voltage supply. For this reason I invite Eliza. Hello. He's an application engineer for power supply, and Eliza, sometimes customer need for industrial application to have a isolated separately voltage, like for digital isolator or for backlighting, and normally they use kind of transformer. Can we use also our inductor for this purpose?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
And one example for that is the Flybuck topology from Texas Instruments. And we see here in the image how easy it is from a synchronous Würth converter to achieve an isolated output, which will track closely the non-isolated output just by replacing the inductor with a coupled inductor and adding a peak rectifier, which is just diode and capacitor.
Okay, cool. But I know there are always a voltage drop on the inductor. Even if you use a very good Schottky diode, you will have some voltage drop. How can we achieve to have a good secondary output which is quite good controlled?
So you are right. When we are using real components, we have voltage drop as the current flows on the primary and secondary sides, as we can see in the image. And from our side, from the coupled inductors, the most important thing is to have an extremely low leakage inductance.
So the key point is extremely low manufacturing inductor with low leakage.
Exactly.
I trust you, but I want to see that improved, and because of this reason you make a nice board here, evaluation board for a coupled inductor, how it is in real life. So can you connect the right inductor before I put the wrong one?
So this board is a typical industrial application, 24 volt input, 5 volt output, using LM5160 from Texas Instruments. And here we have the power supply, power analyzer to see all the information, and the two electronic loads to load both channels separately. So we power it up.
Okay. Now we have output voltage, the non-isolated 5 volt, no load, and the isolated 4.75.
Exactly.
Now I will start first to load the isolated voltage.
Exactly. Let's see what
so
happens.
I will switch on the isolated load for 400 milliamp. Voltage is dropped to 4.18 primary, so the non-isolated stay at 5. Now I switch on even 400 milliamp additional.
Yes. On the non-isolated output, and we can see now the voltage on the isolated has increased a bit, 4.42, as we will expect, as we saw before on the image, and the non-isolated voltage, which is regulated, stays the same.
Perfect. So you have a small tolerance, not so big issue. I think it works very fine. Thank you so much. So I hope you get some new idea how to use these coupled inductance with the Flybuck topology from Texas. Please watch my next video. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.